Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing the Indian girl with the Dreamcatcher and landscape. Colors are black and white as usual, as opaque colors, and the rest are transparent colors. So I already put down the white for the Indian girl, and I put a cover stencil for the Dreamcatcher on the surface. So now I'm starting with the full black. I already painted the white because there's nothing to see there except for me filling the first stencil in full white. So now I'm staying with the black, and I'm painting two different grays, so a dark and a light gray. This would be the darker gray. Try not to be too dark in the face, and if you're on a real skin tones, you can like just use the purple and magenta with the light brown in the face areas. So this is now the light gray. And I'm putting some extra gray in the white, so that later the highlight stencil will work better. So this now is the stencil set for the hair and the shirt. And now I'm using the light brown and some purple. For the Dreamcatcher, this is just the cover stencil, so that the background will stay black. So I cut it out and put some spray glue on the back, so afterwards there will be what you see now in white will be black. So now I'm using the light brown, which is like 90% yellow and 10% purple for the skin color, and this is now the magenta. And I'm doing the light brown again. And if you see my other pin-up videos, if you'd use to this point, instead of the gray in the face, use purple instead of dark gray and magenta instead of light gray, you get more natural skin tones. So this now is the light white. So I paint everything in white, but not with full opacity. Otherwise the highlights in the face would be too hard. So now I'm using just some cool pattern, like a fine pattern, to do more hair. And I'm using in the face area the light brown again. And I'm using the the first black on the eyebrow and the eye. And at this point you can also use it maybe to make the hair a little bit darker. So this is now the final highlight for the feather. It's just full white. So now I'm covering the stencil with the inner part of the first white that I used. And now I'm creating a quick background. First I'm laying down a gray, so that later the Dreamcatcher will work better. I'm covering this gray with some trees and a mountain. So now I'm doing this sky over the mountain, and also I now flip the stencil to do some cool reflections. So it's like the old saying is like a mirror in the lake or something like this. Some little water effect. So now I'm using the cover stencil for the mountain to do the reflection in the sea, in the lake. So now I have the stencil of a cloud, so I'm just highlight the background behind the cloud and I get a darker cloud. So it's real easy to make a landscape, a scene with just a few effects. So now I have the light blue, which is like cyan. And now I'm painting everything that's both white and gray with the blue. And I'm also using some darker blues or ultramarine for darker parts. Doing the reflection on the other side of the girl. And I'm just doing some highlight details in the mountain. And also I'm doing some details in the reflection. So now I'm laying down the light effect for in the water because I'm putting the moon over there later. And I'm doing some more highlights on the trees. and also doing the highlight around the Dreamcatcher, because now you see how this all the full picture works. I'm adding some more colors. And some final stars. And then the picture is finished. So if you like this style of airbrushing, you can give me a thumbs up, and you can subscribe my channel for more videos, and hope to see you soon again with new videos. So bye.